Welcome to Evision, India's #1 leading HR and IT recruitment company. Join Evision, join job.
Hi everyone, myself Shrisha. I am from Peddapalli district, Telangana. I did my qualification diploma in Mother Teresa College of Engineering and Technology. My stream is electrical electronic engineering. About my passing year is 2017 and I had enrolled Evision job at May 1st, 2022. Evision have a experienced trainers in their respective domain. I took the online classes on time as per schedule, and Evision have provides a live projects and live assignments, and if any doubts in online sessions are provide them. I am grateful that I am selected to WAISL Limited. Salary offered 3 LPA. Thank you so much for Evision and Evision team. Thank you.
Thank you, Evision.
Join Evision, join job.